Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Peter Tobin and welcome to this short introductory video as an overview to the IT Governance and IT Management Workshop, which I will be running on behalf of Intelligent Africa during November 2018. Details of the workshop venue, dates and how to book for the workshop will be shown on the screen during the course of this video. I've been involved in the governance of information technology for some years now, both as a practitioner where I was the IT manager at a small but fast-growing organization that was part of a bigger campus in one of the leading universities in South Africa over a 10 or 12 year period. Prior to that, I had nearly 20 years experience in IT industry as a supplier working for one of the world's largest information technology companies. And over the last 5 or 6 years I've been an independent consultant working in the area of improving how organizations make use of the concepts of corporate governance related to IT governance, and specifically the practical aspects of how to make IT governance and management work in their organizations. I've worked extensively across the SADC region. I'm based here in Johannesburg in South Africa, but have worked with clients including on IT governance in a number of different countries, and I'm also a certified project manager and bring those project management skills to bear when it comes to understanding some of the intricacies of a practical IT governance project. Over the 5 days of the workshop, we'll have a look at some of the contextual issues around IT governance, the relationship between IT governance and corporate governance, particularly in the SADC region, and the relation to the King IV report and code on corporate governance, as well as the broader issues surrounding corporate governance on a global basis. We'll have a look at the IT governance frameworks which are appropriate to use when tackling this potentially very complex area. Main focus will be on COBIT-5, an established global framework, which I'm pleased to say I hold a professional certification, the GGEIT, or Certified in the Governance of Enterprise IT certification, for the last several years, and it's going to be current over the next few years as I, like you, seek to renew and maintain my continuing professional development. The good news is that this program offers up to 30 CPE, continuing professional education units, for those of you who are already members of ISACA. We won't just be talking about the COBIT framework. There are a number of new developments in the area relating to IT governance, including an update to the enterprise architecture framework, which has found great popularity over the last few years. That's TOGAF, Enterprise Architecture Framework. It's now available in version 9.2. We'll be having a look at that. The project management body of knowledge. An important aspect of making IT governance work is looking at projects and programs, and the project management body of knowledge, better known as the PMBOK, received an update in late 2017, is only now being fully understood by organizations, and we'll be having a look at that. So that's something new for this workshop during 2018. The other thing that's top of mind when it comes to the benefits of IT governance is to try to manage risk in the area of cybersecurity. And there are several frameworks from the US, the NIST Cybersecurity Framework that's been promoted by the US government, frameworks coming out of the UK, and then vendor independent from the Center for Internet Security, the Controls Framework version 7, which again has only just been updated during this year. So we're bringing a lot of new topics, new information to the workshop. Over the course of the 5 days, delegates will have an opportunity not just to hear from me, but to work together on a number of practical projects. We'll have a look at how you go about implementing the concepts of IT governance, particularly in the context of the framework which has been promoted here in South Africa by the South African government to support the way that government entities or public sector entities apply IT governance successfully. I've been fortunate to have experience of working with a number of clients in the public sector over the last 12 or 18 months, and I'm really enthused by the degree of commitment that I've seen in terms of what they want to do. I was recently also in one of our neighbouring countries in Namibia, running a workshop on IT governance with people drawn from 3 countries across the SADC region, and was also particularly impressed with what I saw and heard there about the progress being made in terms of some of the implementation efforts they have underway. So hopefully we're going to share some knowledge, some experiences, gain some new insights. We're certainly going to have a busy program. As I've mentioned, as you will have seen scrolling across the bottom of the screen, is more information can be obtained directly from Intelligent Africa, and I certainly hope that this is going to end up being one of the real highlights of the year as we approach the year towards the end of November, as you see on the screen. Look forward to hopefully seeing you there. So thanks for taking the time to listen to the video. Thank you.